Today's video is going to be reinstalling the headlights, but we have a little bit of a twist to them. They look like normal headlights, but we went ahead and added some stuff to them. So let me go ahead and rewind to about 2 days ago and check it out, guys.
And I've got them set on just a show mode pretty much.
That is so cool. I'm so excited for that. Alright guys, so as you guys just saw, we got the headlights done. You want to go ahead and shout your Instagram out and then tell us what we did.
It's humble.customs. With these we've got a controllable RGB strip. It's like 210 different modes on the strip. RGB demon eye, so at a glance, so if say police officers or someone of law enforcement see your headlights, they can't get you for any modifications to them because looking at them they're not modified. But they kind of are for off-road use. So it's just really as simple as what we call a basic. It's just a basic RGB strip and demon eye. We've got one other one that we do that's a little bit cheaper, but we literally call it the El Cheapo, which is just a demon eye. And we can do those. We can do this to any headlight. I just finished a set of Audi A4 headlights. I'm working on a set of G35 coupe headlights. I've done everything from Audis to Mercury Capris to Ford Escorts. I've done just about everything. I've been doing this type of work for 20 years.
So you got it done pretty quickly. For the most part.
The basic, if I'm not modifying the housing, so if I'm not doing halos or painting the housing, of course paint takes time, then it's fairly quick, especially with the Spec Ds. I think my fastest time is like to do RGB strip and the demon eye open and then reseal after I'm done is like 2 hours.
Damn, that's quick actually.
Yeah, it's
jeez.
I've probably done 15 sets of Spec Ds in the last 2 months, so
that's really fast.
Muscle memory at this point.
There you go. Awesome. There you guys have it. If you guys want your headlights done, hit him up. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here and in the description. So what kind of intake is this again?
It's the Takeda center cone. I think it's a center cone. Yeah, it's one solid filter across.
Oh yeah, there it is. Dude, that is so cool.
And surprisingly, the intake's not loud.
No?
I was actually really surprised that the intake wasn't loud.
Okay.
I'm gonna open up the tail light, the headlights, black this out, repaint the housing in a gloss black.
Okay.
Probably do gloss red on the shroud.
Okay.
And then a demon eye and a strip.
Oh, nice.
And then her tail lights are gonna get the Humble Customs touch.
The who?
The Humble Customs touch.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Because it's all everything on the car is blacked out other than the headlights and taillights.
Yeah.
So I figure, why not? I'm gonna open them up, do the black housing, do the halos like I do on most of the taillights that I do.
Nice. I want a 37 so badly. Can we see the trunk again?
Yeah.
So just to show you guys, this thing is on air. He had his wing ripped off, unfortunately.
Yeah, by a car wash. Sad face.
Yeah. So here is the setup. I've never heard of this brand, but it looks like a really clean setup for sure.
The left side?
Uh-huh.
The positive on the left side, the positive in the front and back is backwards.
That is so weird. Super weird. Ah, okay. This guy has a voice, and I believe he's about to show us right now. Oh wait, the lighting is horrible. I have to come over here.
We pass in the home on our way to separate rooms. The only time that we ever talk is when the monthly bills are due. We go to work, we go to church, we fake the perfect life. I'm past the point of giving damns, and all my tears are cried. We can just go on like this. Say the word, we'll call it quits. Baby, you can go or you can stay. But I won't love you either way.
Oh my god. Wow.
I get a little out.
That, I got the chills. So now that you guys are all up to date, let's go ahead and get them installed. Alright guys, we got the headlights back on. I just went ahead and did that off camera. Pretty straightforward, a couple bolts. So here's the hardware. So we have one cable that's coming from here, the other one here. Same thing on this side from in here, the other one here, and they're all meeting up. And then we go down. I extended these are the positive. This is the positive right here, and then we have negative, and then the yellow ones are going to be spliced into the turn signal, which, thinking about it now, I think we may have to remove the headlights again. So pretty straightforward though. I mean, you know, like I said, here's the ground right here. Both of them, there's two positives for each headlight, and it's spliced into one. Same thing with the ground, two grounds goes into one, and then two turn signals right here and right here for each headlight. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so it's still daytime as you can see, but I got the headlights fully secured and buffed. Got that one buffed out, this one not so much. The buffer died, so we're gonna do that another day. But I got everything pretty much cleaned up, and the front bumper is fully assembled as well with the mesh all back in. So I think we're gonna go ahead and throw this front end together, guys. I am super excited. We still need to get this whole engine bay completely redone and made over. As you can see, there is just overspray everywhere, so I'm hoping it's cleanable. I really do hope, but that's gonna be another day. Right now, let's go ahead and get this front bumper on. Oh my god, guys, amazing. Especially with the checkered on right now. Look how good that looks with the white. I don't have the hood closed all the way, just because I need to do the grill. But look at that. It's literally so freaking clean, guys. I mean, oh my god. Oh, the grill was perfect in my opinion. I think it's so clean and just classy. It's literally perfect in my opinion. Alright guys, it's later in the night now, so let's go ahead and try to get some shots. Let's go ahead and turn on the demon eye. There we go. Sorry, there's still light there and then there, so it's gonna be a little hard, but let's go ahead and just set it for a nice color. There we go, that's a nice green. It's much brighter in person, I'll tell you that much, but damn, look at how good that looks. So cool. Alright, let's go ahead now and turn on the other strip. Let's try to match it to the same green. There we go. Bam. That looks so good. Oh, I love it. Dude, it's not picking up on how sick that looks, dude. It's multicolor, like a rainbow, just going around. That is so bad. Let's go ahead and try the Demon Eye. And there she is, boys. Let me try to go ahead and get this light turned off. There we go. Alright guys, so there you go. I'm trying to get it the best that I can. Video literally does not do any justice at all. But this thing looks freaking awesome. Alright, so now we have it both on just red and blue. Look like a cop. Let's take a step back. Crazy, right? There's so much you can do with this, dude. It's wild. It's so crazy. I love it. This is the awesome, coolest thing on the car, I think, honestly.
That's cool. I'm pretty sure you can't call.
Alright guys, that's where I'm going to go ahead and leave today's video off. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of everything. The headlights, the front end. The car is really starting to come together. I am super stoked for it. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. In the next video, I want to try to get the mirrors on, the bumper on, and the taillights, and pretty much just whatever else it is we can get done. We have an event on April 3rd, so I'm really trying to rush the car, get it together. I'm super stoked for it. I hope you guys are as well. Also, a massive shout out to Sean. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it. The headlights came out absolutely amazing. So guys, please make sure to go give him a follow. I'm gonna have him right here on the screen. Hit him up for your custom headlight needs. He is the guy to go to. Anyways, guys, I hope to catch you all in the next one. Till next time, as always, peace out.